PEC-G is the postgraduate arm of PEC-G. PEC-G is for the undergraduate, while PEC-PG is for the people that want to do their postgraduate, master, or PhD. The programs are actually created by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in conjunction with CAPES. CAPES is like a body that is in control of scholarship, postgraduate studies in Brazil. This year, there has been some changes. The first thing that is happening is that they allow the universities, to make a proposal. So when the university make a proposal, in this year, we want to admit 20 students, and if that proposal is admitted, if that proposal is admitted, then CAPES is going to award the university the money or the grants. So it's from these grants or this funding that they are just going to decide within the school, this money we want to divide this into 2, 3, 4, for example. One is going to go to science, one is going to go to arts, and all of that. So when they've done this decision, they will now bring out the call. So right now, unlike it was last year, there has been some changes. The school is the one that's going to bring out the call. Okay. So, but right now, the CAPES, which is the body that is in charge of the funding itself, brought out the application for schools to request for the funding. So we are waiting for, and this is going to be between now till August or thereabout. But by November, that is when the school themselves are going to be publishing what the aspects where they're going to be receiving, the area where they want to take in students. Maybe it's going to be in science, maybe it's going to be commercial, and whatever. So between now to August is for the school to make decision, and between August to around November, that is when the school is going to bring out the call. I've received a lot of messages, people asking me about CAPES asking me about PEC-PG, that what is going on this year. They haven't heard about PEC-PG. So, I've actually wanted to make a video about it, but then when I realized that the stage is still at, when I realized that it's still at the stage of school requesting for grants, so I paused. So instead of I keep on receiving emails, I keep on receiving messages from people asking me if the opportunity is out or not. So I've been able to respond to some people, but I thought of making this video public and just for other people to be aware, so that you don't fall into, you don't make a mistake. In summary, PEC-PG is not out yet. We're going to wait till around November, and that is when they're going to start bringing out the call. Nonetheless, there are some opportunities that are coming here and there that one can leverage on. If you're looking for opportunity to make applications to Brazil, to apply to schools in Brazil, but it is very important for you to know that things are changing right now. Majority of the schools, if you are not going through GCUB or PEC-PG, which are just major route through which you can come to study as a foreigner in Brazil. The other route might be requesting for interview, so there will be need for you to prepare for all of that. This interview might be designed to be in Portuguese, so it is not good for one to go to such interview totally naive of the language. People that got it last year are receiving 2,100 benefits that also comes with the stipend. You come to Brazil, you study for free, you receive monthly stipend. So guys, if you have been looking for opportunity to apply to schools in Brazil, you can wait till around this time. You can wait. While you are waiting, you can prepare your ORC ID, prepare your lattice, and of course you can also think of the area where you want your research to be, talking about your proposal. Can be working on it, and just to make sure that it is perfect, because right now you can't really see that this is the school you're going to apply to, because even though if you are familiar with a particular school, you can't tell if the school is going to be allotted you can't tell if the school is going to be bringing out the space, I mean, the course that you have seen in that department. So the best bet right now is to wait till when the school or the program is going to bring out the call. So once the call is out, then you can think of making the application again. I'm wishing you best of luck in your endeavor. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the channel. I will see you in another video. Hola, ciao, ciao. Hasta breve. Ciao, ciao.